back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a super simple no-sew mask, which only has 3 or 4 steps, and I'm almost positive that you have all the material. First thing, or the first step, is to get a napkin and fold the top side down into the middle. And then you're going to do that exact same thing to the bottom. And then you're going to repeat it again. So bring the bottom side into the middle, and then bring the top side into the middle. Next, you can get any color of a rubber band and put it on one of the sides, and then go in between, or like just kind of go through it, and then do that again to the other side with another hairband or rubber band. And then you're going to flip the napkin over and put this side into the middle and put this side into the middle. And then if you go like this or this part, like the rubber bands or hair bands, can go around your ears, and then over here, if it's too small, then you can move this down while you're wearing it. It might come apart if like you don't do it when you're wearing it, and then you can do it to this side also. So I can show you some pictures of what it looks like on me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, it's super simple and there's no sewing. Also, remember to click on the subscribe button down below and give a big thumbs up so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.